Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to our YouTube channels Nath Online Classes. Today once again I am Vidyasagar is present in front of class 8 to discuss subject science, in which I am going to discuss metal and non-metal. The chapter name is metal and non-metal. In this chapter I am going to explain about corrosion and rusting. So please like the channel, share and subscribe it. Now let us start the discussions. In the previous video I have discussed many things regarding properties of metals. Today I am going to discuss one of the special properties that is shown by metal, and metal is get affected by it. It is called as corrosion. So let us look what is it. Now, if have you seen some metals get destroyed after a long time? Have you seen the black or brown or reddish covering deposited on the surface of the metal? If yes, then can you tell me what is the cause behind it? So please let us come to know what is the cause to deposit the thin layer or cover upon the surface of the metal that becoming harmful for it. This property is known as corrosion. Due to this, the metal get destructed after a long period. This happens due to the contact of metal with oxygen and air, water. So, what is corrosion? Do you know? Corrosion is defined as it is gradual eating away of a metal by chemical reactions with environmental, oxygen, moisture, acids and other chemicals is called as corrosion. corrosion जब कोई मेटल इन्वायरमेंट में मौजूद एयर, मॉइस्चर, एसिड्स और अदर केमिकल के संपर्क में आता है तो उसका क्षय शुरू हो जाता है. दे स्टार्ट टू डिस्ट्रॉय. दिस फिनोमिनन इज कॉल्ड एज कोरोजन. कोरोजन के लिए मुख्य रूप से दो कंडीशंस इम्पोर्टेंट होते हैं. फर्स्ट इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ एयर एंड सेकेंड इज प्रेजेंस ऑफ वाटर. So I have written here these two conditions: first presence of air, second presence of moistures. Without its presence, the phenomenon just like corrosion doesn't take place. With the help of corrosion, the metals like copper, silver, aluminum and iron get affected. How? I have to look. So first look at the corrosion of water. Corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron. Corrosion of iron. When iron comes in contact of moisture and air present in the environment, then it forms ferric oxides and ferric hydroxides. As a result, a reddish brown cover deposits on its surface, which is called reddish brown coating or rust. It is called as rust, and this is the process of slow oxidations. This process is called as slow oxidations. So I have written here 4Fe plus 3O2 plus 3H2O forms Fe2O3 plus 2FeOH3. This deposits as a thin layer on the surface of iron metals. It is called as rust. Its color will be reddish brown, and this phenomenon of rusting is an example of slow oxidation. This phenomenon of rusting is known as slow oxidations. Presence of SO2, CO2, NO2 and SO3 helps to increase rusting of iron. These are helpful to increase the rate of rusting. Now, another metals such as aluminum, copper and silver gets also affected due to corrosion. Corrosion of aluminum: when aluminum comes in contact with oxygen, water, then it forms aluminum oxides. And when copper comes in contact with oxygen and carbon dioxide plus water, then it forms basic copper carbonate, that is green mass. And when silver comes in contact with water and hydrogen sulfides, then it forms silver sulfide, that is silvery black. Due to this, the brightness of silver ornaments becomes silvery black. So these are the some important properties of corrosions. I hope you have understand it. Now let us look what is the difference between corrosion and rusting. The main difference between corrosion and rustings are written here. What is corrosion? Corrosion is gradual eating of metals in presence of moisture and air. And rusting is the formation of coating. What is coating? A thin layer deposited on the surface of a metal is called as coating. So formation of coating on the metal is called as rusting. It is reddish brown in color. With the help of corrosion, metal like copper, aluminum, silver and iron will get affected, and rusting only affects iron. No other metal will get destroyed by rusting. Layer of oxide film not porous. The layer of oxide film formed due to corrosion will not be porous. That is, there is no pores. on the layer of the corrode material, and there is pores on the surface of metal that forms rusting, that forms rust. It means rusting forms material porous, but corrosion does not forms materials porous. And corrosion is a discontinuous process where rusting is a continuous process. Sometimes this can be stopped, sometimes this cannot be stopped. When contact of moisture and air takes place, then only phenomenon of corrosion takes place. But when if one of them is absent, then the phenomenon of corrosion doesn't take place. But phenomenon of rusting takes place when the metals like iron comes in contact with either air or moisture. So these are the main differences between corrosion and rustings. And one very important thing you have to know, pipelines and boilers made up of titanium. Titanium is used to make boiler and pipeline because titanium is highly resistant to corrosion. And automobile parts, blades, knives, and utensils are made from stainless steel because it is corrosion resistant. So these are the things today I have discussed. In the next video I shall discuss how we can protect or prevent the material to get corrodes, or I shall discuss the methods for prevention of corrosion. Till that, I want to say goodbye. Thank you. See you.